Alright. iPod. 80 gigs. Glass of water. Sorry to waste the glass of water.
Oh, B.
Oh, didn't like that. Yeah, too bad. Let's see how it's doing. Hey, it's still working.
Maybe that's Seal Shield. Because they said now iPod has
Yeah, well, this one doesn't have Seal Shield.
Yeah, do this
Put it back in. Dun, 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 dun. Slowly watch the demise. Oh, look, it's still alive.
I can't believe it's alive.
Not really.
It's back in.
I think it's mad. Put it back in.
Yeah.
Oh,
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
That's how much I support Apple
Yeah,
products.
Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead. It's where it belongs. Actually, it belongs in the toilet.
Yeah.
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 Why not? Alright.
Now can I?
I think that concludes this video. Good job, Ami.
My hands
High
are
five. Your hands are wet?
Yeah.